Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Meghalaya Motorsports Society haringkat ka jinge snok tilang bat ka God's Speed Racing na Pune kinpenlong ya ka jinge kop nya Thuk balatip kum ka MRF Mogrib Supercross FMSCI National Championship Hamadan Kurkalang Ribhoi District haga khatway trek uyayong arhajar apunriu kani kalong ka wat ka baningkong kaban sedang na kani ka nongba but hadian pat onsapanlong sa hakiway ki Jylla ba pher kari India. Hakini ka jinga kop ki don Haduh shi spa sa phuway Ngut ki Nongñiah Thuk ki ban wan bani Shim Bynta na kaleng jong kari India. Kin thup ya saw pho Ngut na Meghalaya but an ailat ru ya ki ba dang kham khanna hakini ka jinga kop. Ka President jong ka Meghalaya Motorsports Society ka kong Phoebe Dale Nongrum kalapan pau ba ka jingpenlong ya kani ka jinga kop hapo ka Jylla kalong shibenta ban pli la ya ki Nongñiah Thuk na kani ka Jylla bakin yo ban pin I ya ki sap ki jongki ka bakham sngotanat kalong ba Nongñiah Thuk ba pau ka Jylla u ban lang jirwa unya shimbenta ha kani ka jinga kop u ban lang udei ru u bala khur jingjob ha ka class 4 Indian Expert Champion 8000 apusan jong ka Indian National Supercross Championship but ula job are seen ha ka Indian Open and Indian Expert jongka FMSCI Indian National Motocross Championship.
So he's been a 3-time champion and he has been the only champion from Northeast and been representing Shillong and Meghalaya, and we're pretty proud of him. So I think he's leading the younger generation from Northeast and Meghalaya as a whole, and we are looking forward to, since he's part of the MRF Supercross, we're looking forward to building the Supercross over here in the next few years to come. And we're looking forward for Bynta to train the young riders from our state. And we are also thankful for MRF for giving us this chance to host a Supercross in the Northeast, which we are hoping and looking forward to, having MRF in the Northeast area sometime again in the future. We have Mr. Shim, and so Meghalaya Motorsports Society have come together with God's Speed Racing. Mr. Shim is the promoter of the Supercross, MRF Supercross Championship, and we have come together to host the event here in order to give a platform to the local riders as well and to introduce Supercross in the Northeast. This is the first time Supercross is here, and the first time in Northeast that we are having a Supercross championship round. So I would like Sir Sham to say something.
Supercross, Indian National Supercross Championships. We've been organizing these events, the Supercross Championship, for over 22 years. And we've had many events, almost we've had 500 odd events in different disciplines of off-road racing. When we were deciding to have the championship this year, the championship consists of 6 rounds. So we thought we have been contemplating with the idea of coming to the Northeast for a couple of years now. And finally, I met Phoebe, and Phoebe said that you come to Meghalaya and we will help you organize this event. And this was a good opportunity. And finally, we are in Shillong. I'm very happy and proud to announce you that this is one of the maximum entries we've received since we started conducting events and Supercross events way back about 22 years ago. So we have received about 141 entries in the different categories. We've got 8 different categories, right from the junior class, which is up to 9 to 11 years, then 12 to 14 years, and 16 to 17 years, and then we have the experts, Indian experts class, the private experts class, which of course, after a long time, we are having a qualifying rounds. So the start line is about for 24 entries maximum. So if we get more than 24 entries, we have qualifying. In fact, we have in a couple of classes, we have over 35 entries. So we will have to have qualifying rounds tomorrow, which is the practice sessions and the qualifying rounds, and then day after tomorrow we'll have the race. So we are very happy to come here, and hopefully the rain gods are a little merciful on us. We could have a fantastic event. This is also one of our USP events for the night event, because we are also having the FMX riders. That's FMX is freestyle motocross riders from abroad. One is an Austrian and one is a Russian, who are coming and performing. Who will perform thoroughbred racing. We have also some entertainment in live bands and of course pyrotechnics and all. So all in all, we are very happy to come and participate in Shillong, and looking forward for a great event.